the name of science, we are going to try to fuse a microwave with a printer, scanner, copier, faxer.
Ladies and gentlemen, one microwave that is beat to shit. And it looks like it's kind of heavy. So maybe nuclear fission can fuse these two together. This could be excellent. Okay, so it's my part of the show. This is a printer we're going to use to see if we can nuclearly, if that's a word, attach it to the microwave. One last look at it before it dies. Good night, little printer, my sweet prince.
Go what?
This is part of the process by which to hang the actual device. As you can see, Andrew is preparing our rope with which our microwave and our printer will ascend to the heavens before descending back down to hell. Thank you. Okay, people, the turkey is in the oven.
Okay. With the use of modern science, can we bond these two objects together? That is the question we are about to find out.
Does it bounce, ladies and gentlemen? Does it bounce?
Does it bounce, ladies and gentlemen? Does it bounce?
You know, I don't think it worked. Here's the printer. He's looking mighty happy to be alive right now. And the microwave. I'll also note there's a really funny odor coming from the area. I mean, it could be the dog biscuits, but I'm pretty sure it's the microwave. How do you feel, buddy?
Well, I do feel that this one was a failure, but I do see a success in our near future. All we can do is try again.
Science is wonderful. It's taught us a lot. Ladies and gentlemen, printer microwave fusion. Good night.